Flamingos are renowned for their vibrant pink feathers, which come from their diet of crustaceans and algae rich in pigments called carotenoids. These elegant birds have long, thin legs and webbed feet, allowing them to wade through shallow water while filtering their food with specialized beaks. Flamingos are highly social creatures and often form large flocks that can consist of thousands of individuals, creating impressive displays when they take flight or engage in synchronized feeding.